Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to install a file and clipboard encryption in Mint Xfce. The first thing I'm going to do is make a GPG key, and I'm going to do that from the command line. It's quite easy, quite simple. So first of all we need to type in GPG space dash dash gen dash key, and it's asking you which key type you want. I'm going to enter 1, and that'll be an RSA type key. What key size do you want? Press enter. How long would you want the key valid for? I don't want it to never expire. I want it, in my case, to expire in 4 weeks. So I'm going to put in 4 and then W, and that's 4 weeks. Press enter. It's asking you, is it correct? Press yes or Y. Enter your name. Okay, so USB TUX. My email address. Okay, .net. Press enter. It's asking for a comment, so you can put anything in here that you want, but it doesn't like smiley faces, invalid characters, so just put in, test whatever you want. It's asking you, is it okay? And then it asks you for your password or your passphrase. Now this is not your login password or your root password, this is a passphrase just for GPG. Okay, then it asks you to repeat it. Okay, so it's starting to make the key, and the way it does it is it wants you now to use the computer so that it includes some randomness. So we're just going to skirt through this. We're just going to do it nice and quick. As you can see, I've sped it up. You keep on doing things until you see the command line come back up. Okay, so you can do whatever you want. And you can see that the command line has come back up to the normal prompt. Okay, everything has been done. Once that's done, we can go up to the menu, wrong side there, up to the menu, XR off, and we type in seahorse, or keys, password and keys. Now then, if we click on GPG keys, we can see that it's imported the key that we've made, and everything's available for us. Well, not quite really. Type in SYN or start synaptic, put in your password, wait for it to start, and then we type in GPA, mark for installation, and this is the GNU Privacy Assistant. This is the front end for keys and passwords. Click apply. It installs quite quickly, as you can see. And this will allow us to use GPG. Okay, and then we can see the GPAs have been installed. We can start GPA, and we can see that it's already installed our key. And you can see that these other keys that are in there, now you can't remove these keys. These keys were installed with the distro, and I've tried to do it in different ways, and it's not allowing you to delete them. It's a pity that it shows them in GPA. On other systems it doesn't show them at all. So if we go to documents and we have a look at a file, no, we won't bother with that one. Let's have a look at pimp Xfce. Right, so we're just going to copy that, the text out of there, and we go to clipboard, paste that in, and then encrypt. It asks us which key to encrypt with, and there's the encrypted text. Now you can paste that into your email, or you can paste it into a new file. That's the PGP encrypted text of pimp Xfce. X that off. Now we go to files, and we can do encrypt a file. Again, we're going to choose that file that we chose, pimp Xfce, encrypt, check the key, and we can see that the pimp Xfce.gpg has been generated. If we're going to decrypt that, we need to rename the original. So I'm just going to type back file. Okay, so when I try to decrypt the file, it won't overwrite the original. I've closed the GPA down, and it's asking for a file association. It doesn't know what to do with it. So choose GPA, click open, and then it asks you for the key to decrypt it. This is your passphrase, the GPG passphrase. Click OK, and you can see that it's generated the pimp Xfce file again. There you go, nice and easy. Just remember that decrypting the file will generate the file, and if it's still in the folder, it will overwrite. So if you've made any changes, it'll destroy the changes. And that's how to use and make a key, and how to use and install GPA.